start.
Students, today we are going to see trigonometry. Okay, so first topic is angles in standard position. So we are going to see what are all the standard positions in angles. Okay, so we have 4 positions in angles. Okay, what are all the positions are quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and 4. So totally we are having 4 quadrants in angles, position of angles. Okay, so in first quadrant starts from 0 degree and second quadrant starts from 90 degree and third quadrant starts from 180, fourth starts from 270. Okay, so the angles between the first quadrant is 0 to 90 degree. And one more thing, the fourth quadrant is start and ending from, first quadrant start and ending from 360 degree. These angles having the same position. Okay, because fourth quadrant is finishing at in this position only, and the first quadrant is starting from this position 0 degree. Okay, so first quadrant is between 0 to 90. So 45, 55, all the angles are come here only. Okay, so first quadrant starts from 0 and end with 90 degree, and second quadrant start from 90 and end with 180 degree. Here I am mentioning that 0 degree to first quadrant is starting from 90 and ending with 90. Okay, and second quadrant is 90 to 180. See here, 90 to 180, and then third quadrant is starting from 180 and ending with 270, and the fourth quadrant is starting from 270 and ending with 360 degree. Okay, so so I want to say one more important thing, which is we are going to name these 4 quadrant as all, silver, tea, cup. Okay, so this is the quadrant all, and the second quadrant is named as silver, and the third quadrant is named as tea, and the fourth quadrant named as cup. These we are taking this. Okay, so okay, why we are taking this means, all means we are in trigonometry, what are all the I hope you have studied all the trigonometric properties in 9th, I think 10th standard. Okay, so we are having the 6 ratios in trigonometry. What are all the 6 ratios we are having? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and then cot theta. Yes, so we are having that 6 ratios. Okay, so all means that 6 ratios are positive in this first quadrant, should positive in this first quadrant. If it is come under first quadrant means all the 6 ratios are positive. Okay, and then come to the second quadrant. What is the name of the second quadrant? Silver. So silver starts from which letter? It starts from letter S. So see the all 6 ratios. Which ratio starts from S? Letter S. Sin theta. Okay, so sin theta is starting from S. So sin theta. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of sin theta? I hope you already know the reciprocals of ratios. So the reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. So sin theta and cosecant theta is only positive in this second quadrant. So remember that silver is second quadrant named as silver. Silver is starting from the letter S. So our ratio is starting from sin is the letter sin is our ratio. So the reciprocal of sin theta is cos theta. So sin theta and cos theta is positive. Positive in this second quadrant. Okay. Okay. So these are all for the first and second quadrant. So take the third quadrant. So take the name of the third quadrant is T. So T is starting from the letter T. So in our 6 ratios, which ratio is starting from T? Tan theta. Okay, so tan theta and the reciprocal of tan theta is what? Cot theta. So tan theta and cot theta are positive in this third quadrant. Okay, okay, so third quadrant name is T. So T is starting from the letter T and our ratios starting from the letter T is tan theta. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So tan and cot theta is positive in these degree. Sorry, in this quadrant. Okay. Next we are going to see the fourth quadrant. So what is the name of the fourth quadrant? Cup. So what are all the yes, cup. Cup is starting the letter is C. Okay. So what are all the ratios we are having starting letter C? Yes, cos theta, cosecant theta, cot theta. So 3 ratios we are having starting letter C. So cosecant theta is already finished in the second quadrant. Also cot theta is finished in the third quadrant. So what is the rest of the ratio which is starting from C? Cos theta is. So cos theta and reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta is positive in this fourth quadrant. Only positive in this fourth quadrant. Other ratios are negative in this fourth quadrant. Okay, here also sine and cosecant theta is only positive, other ratios are negative in the second quadrant. Okay, so these are all the quadrants names and what are all the positive and negative ratios in this quadrant. Okay, okay, so standard position is over. So these are all the standard position in angles. Okay, okay, next we are going to see trigonometric ratios is using a right angled. Okay, so you already know what is right angle triangle. So this is our right angle triangle. So how we are putting, so in right angle triangle we are having 3 sides. What are all the 3 sides we are having? Opposite side, hypotenuse and adjacent side. Okay, okay, so so how we are naming the, how we are pointing the sides in right angle triangle is, so we are having, this is our right angle, this is our theta. So first we have to point the side which is opposite of the theta is our opposite side. Okay, so this is our opposite side. And adjacent of theta is our adjacent side. So rest of the side is hypotenuse. Okay, so totally we are having 3 sides in right angle triangle. So first we have to positioning the opposite side which is opposite of theta. Okay, and then adjacent side of theta is adjacent side and the rest of the side is hypotenuse side. If it is theta in this side means this is our opposite side and this is our adjacent, this is our hypotenuse. This is our theta means this is our opposite side. Okay, this is our adjacent side and this is our hypotenuse. Is it clear? Okay, so I have already told we are having 6 ratios. So the 6 ratios are sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Okay, so now we are going to see the formulas of that 6 ratios with right angle triangle. Okay, so sine theta. So the formula for sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, and for the cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. For tan theta is equal to, so you have already know the formula of tan theta is sine by cos. We can write tan as sine by cos. So sine by cos. So what is the formula for sine in right angle triangle? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So substitute opposite side by hypotenuse, and the formula for cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, so we can cancel this hypotenuse and hypotenuse. So what are all the rest of the terms we are having? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, so this is our formula for tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Okay, so then cosecant theta. So cosecant theta, okay, so you all know what is the, 1 by sine is the reciprocal of cosecant theta. So we can write cosecant theta as 1 by sine theta. So what is the formula for sine theta? Yes, opposite side by hypotenuse. So 1 by opposite by hypotenuse is hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay, so this is the formula for cosecant theta. And then cot theta. So cot theta. So what is the form? Oh yes, next is secant theta. So we can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta. Okay, what is the formula for cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So we can write this as hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, and then cot theta. So cot theta is equal to, we can write cot theta as cos by sine. Okay, so cos by sine. What is the formula for sine by cos? Opposite by adjacent. So we can reciprocal that. Okay, so adjacent by opposite side is cot theta, because cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, 1 by tan theta. So we can write that as adjacent side by opposite side. So these are all the ratios formula for 6 ratios. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to see values for trigonometric functions. Okay, exact values of trigonometric function of widely used angles. Okay, so we are now we are going to see the angles for sine, cos, tan. Okay, so what are all the angles we are having? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we are going to take 5 values for these angles. Okay, we are going to take that. Okay, so take 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1. So these are all the values we are taking. Okay, so these are all the angles we have. Okay, so now how we are going to find for value sine, cos, tan is, so first you can take square root for all these values. So if you are taking square root, what is the answer came? So 0 degrees, so 0 is 0 only. Okay, if you are taking square root means that 0 is nothing, so 0 degree will come. And then 1 by 4, if you are taking square root for 1 by 4 means we are having 1 divided by 1 divided by root 2. If you are taking square root for 4 means 2 is the answer. So if you are taking square root for 1 means 1 only will come. Okay, so 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. And then for 45 degree we have the value 1 by 2. If you are taking square root for 1 by 2 means we are having 1 by root 2. Okay, so 1 by root 2. And then 3 by 4. If you are taking square root for 3 by 4 means root 3 divided by 2. If you are taking square root for 1 means we will have 1. Okay, so these are all the values for sine theta. Okay, next we are going to find for cos theta. Okay, so what is the value for cos theta is, we don't have to do anything because we simply write the reciprocal of this sine theta. Okay, we have to write that sine theta as reverse. Okay, so we are having the value sine theta which are 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay, so we have to write that as reverse. Okay, so 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0 will come here. So this is the value for cos theta. Okay, and then next we are going to see for tan theta. So simply what is the formula for tan theta? How can we write tan theta in ratios? Sine by cos. So tan theta is equal to, so sine by cos. So we are having already we are having the values for sine and cos. So simply if we divide that, we will have tan theta. So sine by cos is 0 by 1. So 0 by 1 is 0 only. And then next sine by cos, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So 1 by root 3 will come. And then 1 by root 2 is all get cancelled, 1 will come. And then root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, root 3. So 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is we don't have any value for 1 by 0. So that is undefined. Okay. So that's all.